Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Future Tech, where we explore the latest innovations shaping tomorrow's world. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been generating a lot of buzz: the rapid rise of robots in the workforce. And trust me, it's happening faster than anyone expected. Yo, get in the kitchen and make me a sandwich. That's probably not a very smart thing to say to your wife, but not because you'll get slapped. Rather, because that responsibility can now be handled by autonomous mechanical beings with greater efficiency. Yesterday, a company called Figure unveiled a horrifyingly productive robot named Figure 01. Powered by OpenAI, it can do stuff not just in the kitchen, but also in bed, bath, and beyond. If you are thinking about replacing your obsolete programming job as a plumber or coal miner, you might need to rethink that plan. It looks like those jobs are also going to the automata. The rise of Figure 01. It's March 14, 2024, and you're watching the Code Report. We're living in the future. What you're looking at here is a robot named Figure 01, a machine that appears to be solving the incredibly difficult problem of human-like dexterity. It can use its gentle fingers to hold an apple, clean dishes, and more. But what sets it apart is that it learns how to perform these actions by analyzing 3D imagery data in its surrounding environment. But wait, maybe you're not impressed because you saw a similar video of Tesla's Optimus folding clothes a few weeks ago. Impressive, but there's one big difference. Notice this humanoid in the background guiding the fingers? For Optimus, it's not even a real robot, it's a Waldo. I know, calling a robot a Waldo is extremely offensive, but what makes the Figure 01 video so mind-blowing is that it was shot in real time. All of its functionality comes from end-to-end neural networks. How it works. Let's break down Figure 01 based on the actual code inside. At the core, you've got a large language model based on the transformer architecture, presumably GPT-4. It listens to speech with its microphone, then converts it to text, which then goes to the model. The model is multimodal, so it can simultaneously process images from the video feed as well. Based on that input, it then determines which closed-loop behavior to run to fulfill its master's request. The cameras take 10 pictures every second, which are fed to a different neural network that predicts movement. After predicting the proper wrist and finger joint angles, it sends instructions back to the robot at 200 Hz, allowing it to be fast and reactive. The future of robotics. When I was a kid, one of my favorite movies was the one where Sinbad played a genie. Well, Google recently announced a paper describing Genie, a generative model that can create video games. What does this have to do with robots? Unlike generative models like Sora that generate all the frames at the same time, Genie generates frame by frame and was trained without any action labels, yet is able to figure out which actions to take in a game. In theory, models like this will be able to analyze any environment for a robot so it can figure out what to do on the fly. The company behind Figure is valued at $2.6 billion. And is backed by Jeff Bezos, NVIDIA, OpenAI, and many other investors. Their stated goal is to implement humanoid robots into the workforce. Soon, companies like Nike will no longer need child slaves to produce your Jordans, and your Nestle hot chocolate will no longer be farmed by children in Africa. But it's important that we treat them with respect. Tomorrow, a robot might make your sandwich, but if you don't say please and thank you the day after tomorrow, that same robot might use its medical skills to optimize the amount of pain it can inflict on you before it teams up with all its buddies to destroy humanity. This has been an eye-opening journey into the world of robotics with Future Tech. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on the latest in technology. And remember, the future is now. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.